If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
This little bastard. I caught him. Back here eating the edge of the grass. Hi, little cutie. You want to come home with me? My little puppy wants to play with you. Little cutie. Hi. No, wait. No. Excuse me. Little cutie. Here, let me pet you. Let me give you a tickle. I need to give you a little tickle. How are you? You're going out in the golf course. Bye, little buddy.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.